if this tube looks in really good condition, if this tube is cracked or got a hole on it, take the whole assembly up out of the way. Check that out, man. We are on to a good fluid going in the bottom. Okay, let's put our light back down there. See, that I told you, this thing gets very brittle, man. To you, we're going straight up to this banjo bolt. Right? And the line will drop down 16mm.
So they don't have to.
It's good, so you can swivel the ratchet to look like that, and then when we get to the here, the bolts to the power steering pump. You probably can, since that one is the most difficult one,